All right, what's up, we back at it. We got another Supra video. How y'all doing, guys? How is everybody? Hope everyone's good. Well, okay, let's get right to it, I guess. So we got the Supra. Been getting the garage treatment, but today I got this Megan Racing rear strut bar. I guess you don't really need this. I just want to spend money, to be honest. But we got the trunk of our Supra, so everybody who's new, this is my 1989 Toyota Supra 2JZGTE bead lugs, R154 single turbo, all the shebang. But pretty much what we got going on today is right here, as you guys can see in the top corner, right there and right there, the plastic was already like kind of done, and what I did was pretty much with shears, I just went ahead and cut and cleaned it up a little bit. It's not the best, but it's all good. So pretty much the concept of this thing is going to go in the trunk right there, and it's going to bolt to the strut towers. But just so you guys get the idea, so this is pretty much it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nut and bolt off on both sides, mount this to the shock tower. You want your car to be on the ground, and then you want to hand loosen these with the wrench, and then after put the shock tower mount on and then tighten it back up. Same thing on the other side, and then you connect the middle piece, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so now we have the strut bar here. As you guys can see, we installed these two pieces, and I tightened them with like a hand tight, but you want to install this and then tighten everything. So this uses an Allen style T6, and the other side's a 14. Just unscrew it, throw it in. Alright guys, so just like that, we torqued it down and it's in. As you guys can see, the strut goes through to the other strut. Pretty nice, super simple. Yeah, that's pretty much the installation, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, we'll see how the stiffness feels. But like I said, this is one of more of those cosmetic things. It stiffens it up a little bit, but this car is pretty nice. These Mickey Thompsons are definitely very nice. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Keep saving. I'll see you guys in the next video in a few days, maybe a week.